Do you have flat, straight hair, looks very dull? I mean, come on, not everyone is born to be the same. Some guys are blessed with natural textured hair, some volume, looks very energized. But some of us, when we wake up or if we don't style our hair, it looks flat, no energy, very dull, very inspiring. So today, I'm going to share with you 2 ways to get your hair boosted up. The first method is a quick fix, a quick and easy way, and it's by using the hair styling powder by Tribal Chief. Another conventional way is using a combination of hair dryer, a good brush, and a hair styling wax or clay to give that more permanent look. So which one is actually better? So before we compare both of them, there's 2 fundamental things you need to get it right first. Number 1 is to make sure your hair is not too thick. If it's too thick, you might want to go to a barber, or you might do it yourself by using a shear sealer to thin it. Also, you should not wash your hair or use too much of conditioner. The reason is because using a conditioner will soften, moisturize the hair, and it will really weight down the hair. So preferably, do not over shampoo your hair or use conditioner before styling it. So I received this hair styling product by Tribal Chief. So I have seen many of their ads and I'm blessed because they also sent me one of these products to me, and I'm very curious whether it will really volumize my hair with just purely using this powder. So as you can see, it's quite easy to use. Make sure your hair is dry, then sprinkle some powder on your hair. So you can sprinkle all over your hair just to make sure it is all covered. After that, just use your fingers, or if you need to, you can use a comb as well and spread it through your hair. You will feel some stickiness as you do it, and it's logical because they require this property to hold your hair. And as you can see now, my hair is really volumized, very boosted. It's matte, no shine at all. Overall, the volume looks great. And now let's go to the method 2, and it's one of the most conventional ways for guys to volumize their hair. It's also my personal favorite as well. And to do that, to kickstart, first you need a towel dry hair. Just make sure there's not much water on it. Get a towel and dry your hair. Then, usually you will start off also with a Prestyler. And in this case, I will use a sea salt spray by Byrd. It's one of my favorite brand I've been using for the past few years. Smells great as well. Feels like you're at the beach, the sea breeze blowing on your face, very refreshing scent. And the reason of using this sea salt spray is actually to provide, or rather to remove the softness of your hair or the silkiness of your hair. Spray the sea salt spray over your hair, be generous with it, use a comb to spread through around your hair as well. So besides a sea salt spray, you could also use a volumizing Prestyler, and one of the good ones are L'Oreal Volume Inject Mousse or the Sebastian Mousse Forte. Some people also prefer to use some thermal resistant to protect their hair from UVs, and this you can use the Living Proof Restore Shine Enhancing Humidity Resistant Instant Protection Hairspray. Man, it's a mouthful one, but basically this is one of the good products to protect your hair. After the Prestyler step, next is the drying or the blow drying phase together with a hairbrush that has bristle. It's very important that you use such brush because it will add more volume and able to separate your hair as well to give that more volume look. So for a hair dryer, here you can see it's a Dyson one, all-time favorite, and a comb, a bristle comb here that I use very often to style my hair. So for blowing, you might want to use a medium heat and a medium speed, and as you blow your hair, blow from the root to boost up your hair. You can also blow against the grain or against the direction of your hair growth to also give that extra volume. Use the brush to comb up as you go or as you blow your hair to continuously lifting up the hair to provide you that more volume. If you have a short hair, this does not take a long time. Probably takes up to 1 minute or 2 minutes to get that overall balanced, volumized look. As you can see now, after blow drying my hair with the Prestyler, My hair looks so wavy, so much texture, pretty looks like a Elvis Presley before he goes up to the stage. Alright, so after blow drying my hair, we'll go to the styling phase. So for the styling phase here, we should use a light product. Again, don't use any heavy hold product, it's going to weigh down your hair. Don't use any oil-based or too much of a water-based product that will also add more weight to your hair, and it will defeat the purpose of whatever you have done previously to get it volumized. So use a lightweight product like clay or wax. They also give you that matte look. It doesn't weigh down your hair. In fact, it will provide more structure and more hold to your hair. So as you can see, I'm using this tribal chim clay, very soft, very easy to break down, spread through my palm. I want to make sure that I rub thoroughly on my palm to give more heat so that when I style, it will continue to help me to maintain the volume that has already been done by blow drying. This will take a couple of seconds as well. For this style, I'm doing a slick back. If you're gonna have more volume or more structure, continue to use the bristle comb to brush up your hair. Make sure it's more well defined on the side, and now you will have a very well structured, volumized look. To finish off, this is really optional. If you live in a very humid country or you sweat a lot, you might want to lock down your hair with a finer hairspray. Personally, I don't really like to use a lot of hairspray because a lot of those chemicals and whatnot. But if you really want to use it for a certain occasion, want to maintain a great look, probably a couple of spray might help you to lock down and gives you more confidence of that volumized look. For a hairspray, I would recommend the Moroccan Oil Luminous Strong Hairspray. So for Moroccan Oil, it's also a brand that I've used quite often. I'm using their clay. Their product is awesome, the ingredients are safe, so get a try with it. So what is my final verdict between these two methods? So for the tribal chim hair styling powder or most hair styling powder, it's a good way for a quick fix, and if you want to go for the matte look, you want some volume, and if you spend most of your time indoor, in offices, this product might be suitable for you. If you're going to spend most of your time outdoor, high humidity, sweat a lot, this product probably won't hold that much longer. Personally, because I have a very stubborn hair, especially on the top of my head here where I usually cowlick, I might want to use a hair dryer before I styling powder. This so that I can get some shape, and when I use the styling powder, just about adding the more volume. On the other hand, following the conventional way by using a pre-styler, blow drying your hair with some heat and combined with some clay, definitely gives you that great hold, great volume. Even though you have thick or medium type of hair, this will certainly guarantee that more structure, more well hold for you to achieve. If you have any problems with styling your hair or achieving a certain look, feel free to let me know. I'll try my best to do those research or even share from my personal experience. If you have any products that you want me to review as well, just shout out the brands below. I will try my best to look those products and give it a review. What do you think about the recommendations that I've shared with you today? If you have any tips or tricks to volumize your hair, please feel free to share with us in the comments down below. If you are interested to find out the products that I've used, also I have linked in the description below. Otherwise guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.